Can you see that? This is so freaking nasty.
Initiating.
It is Tuesday, day 3 of being Connor Canway, and for this vlog I need something quick and simple and easy. At least I hope that it will be easy. I'm kind of stressed out, the workload is insane at the moment. There is just so much stuff that I need to clean. Check this out, this turned out so nice. It was so freaking nasty. I should have taken a few videos. Like it was just insanely nasty, but look at this. Can you believe this? It looks like new. And I also already tried my best to get this thing clean, and this white cover already looks decent, but the problem is this right here. Can you see that? This is so freaking nasty. I tried to scratch it off with a screw, which works, but it's super time consuming and stupid. What I also noticed is that you actually can scratch up this material, which is rather amazing. So this is apparently really hard. So yeah, let's go for it. This tool should be perfect for the job. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah, that's the right tool. So let's restore my oven plates. So this was the first one. This is crazy, check this out. It's like new. It could be better though. Let's keep on going. Check this out. Yes, boy. Really nice. I will spend the rest of my day with probably cleaning up these shelves, more kitchen stuff, and well, yeah, that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow.